Why embrace the exhausting moving hassle? Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and I personally just made the move for 5 reasons. First, we were looking for a main level primary bedroom. Second, a neighborhood close to walk to parks and restaurants. Third, a quiet tree-lined street. 4, a walkout basement. And 5, a screened-in deck. Now, each one of these equal a change in my lifestyle, including practicality, adventure, and tranquility. I want to embrace each day, each one of these experiences, and they totally outweigh the packing and moving hassle. Comment below with a feature you look forward to experiencing in your next home.